Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if the Epic Games launcher is not opening on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon. Now select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, locate the Epic Games launcher. Then right click on it and select End Task. After closing it, right click on the start icon again and select Run. Now you'll need to enter %local app data percentage in the text box and click OK. In this File Explorer window, locate Epic Games launcher. Now open it. Now open this saved folder. Here you will see this web cache entry. You might also see multiple entries like this. Select them all and click the trash icon at the top. Restart your computer and then try to open Epic Games launcher again. Once you do this, your issue will be solved and Epic Games launcher will open as before. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.